So literally guys, we've been exploring this military barracks for a few hours now, and we've literally found a way into one of the buildings. And it's like going back in time. I'm just going to show you now. It's going to be a short video, but make sure you subscribe. It's going to bring you back in time. Look at this guys. It's ready to go. Where's it bowing down to? Oh, this floor feels really weird. Look at this guys. Whoa. It's like going back in time. Look at the curtains guys. Look at that. Whoa. That is literally, you can't see that, but that floor is bowled up. Whoa!
Disgusting mess.
Oh. Not gonna go in there. Oh wow. Floor's concrete. Yeah.
Was it lifted? Was it bubbly?
That's the underlay, wasn't it?
Nah, not like that.
We're going down there.
Right.
That's just the underlay, mate. Oh, look at this one here.
We can go. Okay.
Look at the curtains still on there. Look at the door that's coming apart. Whoa! Look at that.
So why can't they house immigrants in there?
Whoa, look at these old lockers. Tony, could come here and show us how it'd be then.
What?
Show the viewers what would be in your locker.
Yeah, the uniform there. Shirts, trousers, all that.
Yeah.
And then you have a drawer side for your socks and your underwear.
Yeah.
And you have like your vests, your jumpers and all that going up here. You have a personal bit of space, I think. All the personal bits at the top.
Yeah. Oh, you got your mirror as well.
Obviously your kit bag and that. All that stuff.
This is what sort of bed you had then?
Yeah.
Well, there's a drawing room there, look.
Yeah, it is, yeah. That's probably your personal stuff. Not allowed a lot, really.
This has been about guys. The drawer. Got a little key on there. Look at the spring. They're so small. I think we're probably too big for that. Departure. Please fold your bed in as you found it. Rooms must be vacated by 9 AM. Beds must be stripped. Interesting. Again. Oh, whoa. Look at the decay, guys. This place has been dead for a while. It's definitely concrete now, I think. I hope. These are the lights that come down over there. Wow. Literally like a little time capsule. Military sleeping quarters. Crazy. Look at the hallway. You better take about a year that way, just down it from this, wouldn't you?
You write all your clothes and shit there as well.
Let's see it down there. It's a deck there. I think we better have face masks here, but wow. Look at this, what's in that? Good dry room. Rhino's toilet. Wow, look at that. This place, guys, is crazy. It's going to be a very short video, but who cares? There's a way in here as well. Oh. Wow, look at that decay. The lead paint. This part's even more decayed. It's completely sealed shut. Oh wow. So this is how your room would be. Literally, the damp. It's quite bad there. The rots. Oh whoa, what is that? What the hell was that? It's like a safe room. What the hell? That's like a blast room. Can you open it from the inside? Yeah, you can, yeah. Wow. Wow. Something over here. That's like it. I like these lockers though. I'm pretty sure that's some sort of safe room. Blast room or something like that. Let's follow the boys quickly. There's obviously multiple of these buildings, but this is the only building what's open. Wow. Is it better in there, is it? Wow, look at this one. Wow, look at the decay in this one. Wow. Look at that. It's like Last of Us, isn't that? Oh, look in that room, it's like Last of Us. Who? There's like a safe room back there. Like a blast doors. Wow. The cave is crazy. Wow, jeez. Wow. This is crazy. It's got that proper musky smell in it. Mould,
Yeah, the roof's going.
decay.
That doesn't make actually any sense because ceilings are fine.
Yeah. Look at that room now. Like we slipped on that. It's like Last of Us in there, man.
Oh, yeah.
Plank growing off the bed.
Yeah, look at that one.
Yeah. It's all slippery, yeah?
Oh look, it's still full.
What's done?
No, that one.
Whoa, whoa.
That one's full.
What's down there? Basement.
Well, see, that's why I'm slipping up. It's because it's so good.
Look at this safe room.
Hang on.
Have you seen something like this before? Complete decayed in there. Standard, look at this. You'll be like, what the hell? Oh, better than a desk.
That makes sense.
Alright, it's got buttons on the outside. Start, stop.
It's got a button there as well to open the locker.
Oh, yeah.
Thing, innit? What? When they do a gas fucking test on that shit. Not on you, but you know, for military use.
The marks, hands off, it's still got a bolt on that.
What the fuck?
This might mark stuff still in there still then boys. Hands off marks. Wow. So literally that was done guys. Small explore around it. Which there's multiple identical buildings to this one, but this is only one was opened. Complete decay, but quite crazy. Thanks for watching, we'll see you soon.